Looking for a new messaging app to use instead of WhatsApp or Facebook Messenger? Signal is a great option for private messaging. I'm Jessica from TechBoomers.com, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to sign up for Signal. Now let's get started. You can download the Signal app for free from the App Store on iOS or Google Play Store on Android devices. When you open the app for the first time, tap Continue at the bottom. Then tap Enable Permissions. If prompted, tap Allow to let Signal access your device's camera, microphone, and contact list. Now enter your phone number. Tap Next. You'll be sent a text message containing a 6-digit code. Enter the code you received. Now enter your first and last name. If you like, you can also add a profile photo at this stage. When you're done, tap Save. Now you'll be asked to create a 4-digit PIN to secure your account. This PIN will be used to encrypt your personal information and settings and allow you to restore your account if you ever need to reinstall the app or switch to a new device. Enter the PIN you'd like to use, then tap Next. Type in your PIN again to confirm. After that, you're ready to start using Signal. If any of your contacts saved to your device have already signed up for Signal, you'll see their names listed when you tap the pencil icon in the top right corner to start a new chat. You can easily invite your friends to join Signal by tapping Invite Friends at the bottom. Invites can be sent through text message or email. That's all it takes to sign up for Signal. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.